Okay, let's try the last grade 11 trig question, this Pythag trig problem. Okay, what do they give you? They tell you that the tangent of the angle is positive 8 over 15. Well, that's telling you two things. Tangent is positive in the first quadrant or the third quadrant, so it could be either in the first quadrant or the third quadrant. But they say that sine theta, the sine of the angle, is less than 0. Well, that happens where y is negative in the third or the fourth quadrant. Well, the only place where both of these things happen is the third quadrant. So that's why we've got to draw a triangle in the third quadrant. So you sketch a picture, and you know that the opposite side is 8, and the adjacent side is 15. Well, there's your angle right there, and there's the triangle that's created. Opposite is 8, and adjacent is 15. Hey, but they're not positive because I'm going to the left. It's the third quadrant, and I'm going down. So that's why they're both negative, negative 15 and negative 8. Now, if I use Pythagoras and go minus 8 squared minus 15 squared, add them together and take the square root, I get 17. And since this is a triplet you might know, you could write 17 and put just by Pythagoras, and that's it. There you go. You've got the whole triangle. Now, this is your reference angle right here where you can use to figure out anything. Like cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the first question, cosine theta, is minus 15 over 17. We can put it minus 15 over 17. So there is the first one, all done. There's all the work. Now it says, figure out what 2 sine squared theta plus the sine of 360 minus theta is. Well, 360 minus theta, there's 360. Minus theta means you bend down into this quadrant. You pretend that's an acute angle, like 45 degrees. So that's the fourth quadrant. Well, sine is negative in the fourth quadrant. That's why the sine of 360 degrees minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So you can rub out all that and just put minus sine theta. But hey, sine theta is minus 8 over 17. Minus 8 opposite over hypotenuse. This one, we're supposed to take sine theta and square it. So it's 2 times minus 8 over 17 squared minus minus, which will be plus 8 over 17. That's what I put it in my calculator, and I got 264 over 289. And that's the answer. There's the last question.